channel. Today this video is my favorite. It's about Legos. This is awesome Legos, but this is only a builder inspector, and it's 6+. It's not for baby, it's for the big kids. And I'm so excited to open it. Follow me. Okay guys, let's open it. Let's count how many pieces it got. 1, 2, 3. It got 3 pieces. And here's the instructions. We need how many pieces, and this is how to fix it. Let's fix it. Guys, it's finished. You see, you can put this man here, and you can put this here, and it goes up and down, and it can move, and it just fixed in 1 hour. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.